I like cute little finger coil ends. And I use CurlRev to create the little finger coils at the ends of the hair. Because I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Okay? I'm hooked on these little things right here. These detangling and styling tools. I'm hooked on this, honey. If you have not gotten this yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, because I have clearly linked it plenty of times before, and today will be no exception. It will be linked. Once it's dry, I can kind of go through and separate the ends a little bit. I can leave some of the finger coils in if I want to. I separate some, I leave others, and y'all, there is no rhyme, no reason.
I just do it and put my back into it. That's it, that's all. Tell me now, tell me now. And although it hurts,